This is the video for Homework 2, Question 5. The customer flow as a grocery store can be viewed as a Poisson process. That is, probability for the number of customer arrivals in time 0 to t equals k is this expression. Suppose the probability that in 2 minutes at least one customer arrives equals to 0.3, and the first question asks us to find lambda. If we look closely to this sentence, we notice that it says at least one customer instead of exactly one customer. So the condition of at least one customer includes all the conditions where k is larger than 0. That is, k is 1, b2, b3, and so on. So we have to subtract this 0.3, this number, from 100%, that is 1. Here, probability for at least one customer arrives in 2 minutes is 0.3. That is 1 minus probability for no customer arrives in 2 minutes is 0.3, and that gives probability for no customer arrives in 2 minutes is 0.7. Because the number of the customer arrivals in 0.8 equals k, the probability for this condition is this term. And we let k to be 0, t to be 2, and we have this expression. And we can calculate the value for lambda is approximately 0.178. Question 2 asks us to find the probability that in 3 minutes no customer comes. And here I have changed the annotation where I choose to annotate this term, this long, very long expression, number of customer arrivals in 0 t to equals k, to be a shorter version, ptk. So no customer comes in 3 minutes. That gives t to be 3 and k to be 0. And we calculate p30 is e to the power minus 3 lambda to be e to the power of minus 3 lambda. And we have this number here, put it inside, and we calculate it to be about 0.586. Questions 3 asks us to find the probability that in 10 minutes at least 2 customers will arrive. Said at least. Again. So we have to subtract the conditions of exactly 0 and exactly 1 customer from the probability 1. So that is 1 minus probability 1 minus p10 and then minus we got a bracket here, we got a square bracket here. So that is 1 minus the sum of p10 and p10. This is the expression we finally can calculate by putting the lambda value back in. That is approximately 0.531. And then finally, we have to find the probability that in 1 minute exactly one customer will arrive. This is simpler. Exactly one customer arrive in 1 minute. That is p11. So we directly do the calculation and put the numbers in. That gives 0.149.